Did you know one simple oil can boost your hair grow and leave your skin glow? Let me show you guys how to make this magical carrot oil blend with scalp and skincare. Please don't forget, we are just a new people here, so please support our channel. Okay, thanks for your support. Let's dive into the video, guys. Okay, well, now I have 3 carrots here. I'm already washed it and I use my chicken pepper to just do what, take the water from it. So the next thing now I'm doing is to peel the bag. But anyway, everybody like the way you can just cut the hair and start blending it that way. Is up to you, but for me, I prefer to remove the peel before do what, before grind it. So let's continue and see how you guys will see how I'm going to peel it. So just enjoying this music for now. Guys, now I'm going to use it two different ways. Now I'm using my grinder to grind it this way. You can use grinder or you can use blender, but what I'm going to do, you see how I'm use my grinder. I'm using this one because in case you are going to say you wanted to make your carrot oil but you don't have blender, so that is why I bring my grinder to grind it, so that maybe if you don't have blender, or if you don't have the small one like this one, the one I'm just holding my hand, then you can just grind it from your hand. So there's no any excuse that you will say I want to make it but I don't know how I don't have blender to blend my carrot. So now the next thing, now I'm going to show you guys again. I'm going to show you the other method. Is going to be blender. In case if you have blender also, you have another option. If you don't want to, if you just want to grind it or to blend it very fast, because for grinding it sometimes, it will take a little bit time. So if you just want to blend it very fast, you can just use your blender, cut it small, because we all know that carrot or those type of things is spoiling blender very fast, especially if you are not adding water inside or oil inside. It can spoil your blender very fast. So this one, actually, I just use this is my, I think today is the first day that I'm using this blender, because I spoil a lot of blenders for my DIY using the thing. So today I'm going to use this one to do what I don't want to use my main blender again. So let's continue, guys. Please, if you watch it up to this point, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Guys, I have a problem with my main channel. Okay, they I think they hack, not my I think they hack my YouTube channel. They hack it, and we all know how difficult it is. If you have a YouTube channel, you suffer like this. Now I have about 3,150 above subscribers, and my channel, I cannot get my account, I mean my Google account. So but someone get to me and told me that I should check on Twitter to send the YouTube people, send them a message. I send them a message, they send me some form to fill it. I fill the form 2 days now, still I don't hear anything. And as a content creator, for you to be, if you don't have 2 channels, that's why one of our sister, she always advising people to have multiple channels. Okay, sorry, to have so many channels in case something like this happening, you may have another channel to continue. So today I say, why not, let me also create another channel for my DIY things. Why I'm still waiting for them to to give me opportunity to enter my main channel. I can use this one to be started creating my content now. So please, this channel is for new, and I don't know when my channel, when are they going to open it for me? I don't know. So please guys, I need you guys support. Okay, I need you guys support. Everyone who was following my page, you know, watching our things, now this channel that is, we are going to be doing our thing. So after blended everything finished, now guys, I pour my coconut oil. This one was left very less, so I have another coconut oil which I will bring it to pour inside. Okay, so stay tuned and watch to the end. Okay guys, now you can see my oil face is ready. So now I have to do what? I'm going to off my fire and put it aside for like 12 hours later, because I will strain it tomorrow for it to sit small before I strain it. So we'll come back tomorrow to continue our job. Okay guys, now we are here now to strain our oil. You can see how the face now, the water, there's not any water inside, because this oil, I'm not going to add any preservative inside. So it's good for you to allow the oil to dry. But when you put it on fire, always make sure you are standing there. Don't leave your hand and leave the carrot oil on the fire alone, otherwise you will burn your things. Okay guys, so carrot oil with coconut. Coconut is deep moisturizing and penetrating the hair shaft. So when you are using coconut inside your hair, it's very good. And coconut also is doing what? Glowing your skin. When you talk about the coconut, the rich of carrot, that make everything to look more perfect for your skin and your hair care. If you are looking for a way to glow your skin, this is the best thing you can use for your skin. It's very nice, especially if you have dark spot in your face, you have it in your armpits, your legs, between your legs. You know, there are some people that places you can see some dark, you know. So you can use this thing to clean, this oil to clean your face, to clean everything. At the same time, you can use it for your hair care. For me, most of the time I use, when I'm making the carrot oil, this channel also guys, as I told you guys, they have stole my account, so I'm still fighting to see if I can get it back. If not, that oil also, I will repeat it, make the same oil here also, because I used to make it with Johnson baby oil for my body. And this one I'm using it, sometimes I can use it for my skin, sometimes I use for my hair care, or when I make my DIY things I add carrot oil, because sometimes you may need some oils that to add into your infusing oil, especially carrot oil. So it's good for you when you are someone who is a hair grow influencer. It's good for you to do what? To have this type of oils in your hands all the time, anytime when you need it, or you want to add into your DIY things. You have already have the oil, you will not get stranded, or you will not get thinking about how you can do to get your carrot oil. So this is our carrot oil guys. So now the most important part is get your small bottle like this to pour it inside. But I'm going to do mistake. Okay, let me bring something to before I make some accident. Yeah, So when you pour this thing inside, what time is the best for you to do it? Like for a night one after finish bathing, you can use it to do what? To moisturize your body, or your face, your armpits, or you can even do it also again before you go to take your shower also again, or after the shower you can use it. And now I'm adding my vitamin E oil. So maybe someone can ask me that, is it must to add vitamin E oil? As I told you guys, I'm not using it for only one thing. This oil, I'm using it for so many things, because coconut oil, it contains so many things. Now I'm adding my essential oil, which is coconut essential oil. Also, I'm adding the drop inside. Okay, but I will still add even organic essential oil inside. So I'll add 2 essential oil. That one you guys can see. This one I brought it from Turkey, so maybe you may see the writing, they write it in Turkish. So I buy this, I add 2 essential oil, coconut and organic essential oil, plus vitamin E oil. If you have any essential oil and you want, you can add, or you can just leave it like that. Also, it's good for you to use it. As you guys can see my hand, how I just use this more, you can see how my hand is shining. It's very good for skin and good for your hair grow. If you want to grow your hair, to protect your hair from breaking, also help you to grow your hair very fast. If you want to fastest hair growth, these are the oil that you can use to be adding to your routine. And if you want your skin to glow, we have glowing skin and we have bleaching. These are the natural things that you can use to glow your skin. There's a difference, guys. We have to know this. We have so many different. When someone say bleaching, this one will bleaching. No, we have glowing. This one will glow your skin. Your skin will glow with natural glow. There's no any chemicals, nothing inside. This thing is just a natural thing you are going to use to glow your skin. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and share for us. I would love to see you in our next video. Bye.